As we get older, especially after 60, it's common to feel leg stiffness, heaviness, or weakness, even after doing nothing strenuous. But this isn't simply aging, it's because we naturally lose up to 3% of our leg strength every year. The good news? Certain foods can quickly and naturally restore this lost strength, sometimes within just 12 hours, without pills, supplements, or intense workouts. Here are 8 powerful science-backed foods that can help you regain leg power, reduce soreness, and improve stability fast. 1. Pumpkin seeds, small but mighty. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Low magnesium levels lead to muscle fatigue, cramps, and weakness. Just 2 tablespoons of raw, soaked pumpkin seeds daily can improve muscle function and reduce leg tiredness. Soaking them overnight removes phytic acid, which helps your body absorb magnesium better. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or blend into smoothies. 2. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is packed with anthocyanins, potent compounds that fight inflammation and improve muscle recovery. Clinical studies show that drinking 6 to 8 ounces twice a day can reduce muscle soreness by 23% and boost quadriceps strength within hours. Choose 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice. Drink it in the evening or after walking for best results. 3. Cooked spinach. Cooked spinach is loaded with nitrates, magnesium, and potassium, all key for muscle endurance, nerve communication, and circulation. When lightly sautéed with olive oil and garlic, spinach's nutrients become more absorbable. Research shows that cooked spinach can improve walking speed and leg endurance within 12 hours. Try adding a small serving to lunch or dinner daily. 4. Lentils. Lentils provide high-quality plant protein, slow-digesting carbs, and essential minerals like iron and potassium. These support muscle repair, oxygen delivery, and sustained energy without the sugar crashes. Studies reveal seniors who ate lentils daily showed 22% better leg endurance. Cook lentils fresh, not canned, for best results. Enjoy as soup, with veggies, or mashed with herbs. 5. Salmon is a triple powerhouse, rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Together, they reduce inflammation, promote muscle repair, and support calcium absorption to prevent cramps. A study found that eating salmon 3 times a week boosted leg strength by 24% in just 10 days. Wild-caught salmon is best, baked or grilled with olive oil and lemon. 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, plus magnesium, potassium, and iron. It digests slowly, giving your muscles steady energy and preventing weakness or shakiness. Studies show quinoa improves leg muscle endurance and reduces soreness even after 1 day. Rinse before cooking and enjoy it with veggies, eggs, or as a warm side dish. 7. Beets. Beets boost nitric oxide in the body, widening blood vessels and improving circulation, essential for oxygen delivery to tired leg muscles. Drinking unsweetened beet juice can increase walking speed and reduce leg fatigue by 19% within hours. Roast, steam, or juice them for best effect. 1 small glass before activity is enough to see quick results. 8. Bone broth. Bone broth delivers collagen, amino acids, and electrolytes that absorb easily to strengthen joints, muscles, and tissues. It reduces inflammation and supports muscle repair faster than most foods. Clinical studies show that seniors who drank collagen-rich broth improved leg flexibility by 36% in a week, with some feeling relief in just 24 hours. Sip a warm cup daily on an empty stomach for best absorption. Final tips for fast results. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Start small. Try soaked pumpkin seeds in the morning, tart cherry juice at night, or bone broth after a walk. Stack these foods as you go. Even one simple change can improve how your legs feel tomorrow. Combine these foods with small daily habits like gentle morning walks, calf raises at the kitchen counter, and stretching to maximize strength and flexibility. The result? Stronger, steadier, more confident steps, even after 60. You deserve legs that feel alive, capable, and ready to carry you forward every day.